Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The Rombauer family is originally from the Rheingau region of Germany. Corner Rombauer's great-aunt, Irma Rombauer, was the original author of the cookbook, The Joy of Cooking. Although Rombauer is known for their chardonnay, the very first wine they produced, back in 1980, was a Cabernet Sauvignon.
Take our lead.
Rombauer Vineyards. Napa Valley-based Rombauer Vineyards, maker of buttery Chardonnay, has bought Renwood Winery's winery, tasting room and 20 acres of vineyards in Amador County, where Renwood produced Old Vine Red Zinfandel.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Rombauer Chardonnay, 2019 Carneros, Napa. C.A. Rombauer Carneros Chardonnay is a rich wine with layers of tropical fruit, peaches and pears. The fruit opens up into creamy textures of apples and pears that glide across the palate. Hints of citrus and rich oak tones highlight the wine's lingering finish.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Irma S. Rombauer, The Joy of Cooking, authors. She would have been 74 years old next Sunday. It was Mrs. Becker's mother, Irma S. Rombauer, who wrote the original Joy of Cooking, first published in 1936.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.